All right, here we have our DM00432 Dakota Digital VHX and HDX Shadowbox system. This works great if your factory housing is damaged, broken, or just completely unusable. All you'll need for this is a Phillips screwdriver and a 3/8 socket, a clean cloth, and a solvent-based cleaner. Just to make sure everything's clean and the double-sided tape adheres to the plastic properly. We'll start with that. You want to clean this area, and up here, especially if you're using a used factory faceplate. Next, we'll move this out of the way. You have to remove the mounting pieces that come on your Dakota Digital setup and install the ones from the kit. The screws are very tiny, be careful not to lose them. With those put to the side, you want to start removing the ones on the kit. To transfer over, move the protector from the double-backed tape. Line your holes up. And reinstall your screws. They don't have to be very tight, just snug them up. And they will only go on one way, as the bolt spacing is a little different for each of them. After that, we're going to install the Shadowbox onto the faceplate. I like to get these loosened, pull the tape off the bottom points first. Sometimes it is a bit of a pain. Proof I wasn't lying. Right. I used the top to line everything up, as it's not going to stick yet. I'm going to make sure these are straight. Undo the nuts. And give both of them a firm press. That is not something you want coming off going down the highway. And then remove the tape on the top. Use the bottom to line it up. And give those a good firm press. After that, reinstall the nuts. Just snugly for now. And go ahead and install your Dakota Digital system. The 2 lower nuts on. Remember to leave those a bit loose. We're going to do this side first. Remember, just snug things up in case you need to move the unit around. And now you have your Dakota Digital VHX or HDX system completely mounted.